Hi, fourth grade. Welcome to lesson 2 of our modern classroom. You should have already completed lesson 1 to be on this video. So if you haven't, go back to your game board and go to lesson 1. But if you've done lesson 1, you're ready for lesson 2. So let's get started. Today, what we're going to be learning about is what different lessons are and what your grades are for those lessons, and some rules about when things are due and when you can work on things. So you know your game board looks like this. You might have noticed that some game board spots are red or pink, some are blue, and some are green. These colors mean something. The red lessons are ones you must do. You have to do them. To be successful, you need to do them. They also have green checks to show, yes, you need to do this. The blue lessons are lessons you should do. It's really important that you do these, and you should do them. And the green lessons, the green spaces, are ones that you can aspire to do. That means if you're working really hard and you want to be ahead, you should do those green lessons. Each amount that you do gets a grade. So let me show you what I mean by that. If you don't do anything on your game board, you're going to get an F for the unit. That's not so good. I don't expect anyone to do that. If you only do some of the must-dos, so like in this one, if you only do the survey and lesson 1, you did some of them, then you get a D. And when I say do them, I mean like do them all the way through and your teachers checked your mastery check and it looks good. If you do all of the must-dos, you do all 3 pink or red lessons, you get a C. It's not bad, but I know you can do better. If you do some of the should do's, like you start lesson 3 but you don't finish, then you get a B. But if you finish lesson 3, so you've done all the must do's and the should do's, you get an A. And if you want to be really awesome, you do all the lessons, including this aspire to do lesson 4, you will get an A+. So remember, the pink or red lessons are the ones you must do. If you do those, you get a C. The blue lessons are the should do's. If you do those and the must do's, you get an A. If you do all the lessons, the must do's, the should do's, and the aspire to's, you get an A+. And if you do nothing, you get an F. But that's not going to happen to anyone. So take your guided notes, then you watch one more video and take a little bit more guided notes. Good luck.